You know, star, go place push up. Yeah, roughly 5 hours me do out today. Don't get no permit. Hey, I just say go. That one here, no catch, but still enjoy ourselves. Permit on, permit on. That's a massive permit. Hartman Adventures at them, man. What's going on? What's going on again, people? Yeah, man, it's Jay again with Hartman Adventures. Up on the little truck here, see me can go up on one reef. It's a good little walk from where I park to get up there. So see if I can take my little time and go up there. It's kind of late in the day now still, but the early morning part of the day it kind of really calm now. See it really flat. So kind of there wait for the breeze to pick up a little bit. See if we find anything on the reef. It's a different place me I go to there to try to find a permit. As you know, last week I lose a nice size one, so hopefully I can find a couple more or another one this week. Yeah, just stay tuned. As soon as I reach up there, you guys will be back in on the action, so just stay tuned. And in the meantime, just go and hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed as yet. So just stay tuned. Oh, the place bush up, man. It's been such a long time since we come up here. You know, star, the place bush up. Water high up here today. Water very high today up there. Very high water today. Let's just walk the permit them we're there too. Say water high to the way. When you see the little inlet here, so high. Normally this inlet is basically empty. You can almost, the water that normally don't pass your ankle height. That was almost my waist height a while ago. So you know the water high today. Water is definitely high. Alright. Try see if we can set up from here, go up along this section. So look like rain I go fall, so you can see so I have my gaff this week. I just get it ready and put it down. Alright, so it's just a matter of waiting for a bite now, so just stay tuned and make me see if we'll get any bites. Gonna have to move from here, guys. You can see some huge patches of grass coming up just out in front of me. Breeze is coming in now, so instead of the grass going out, they are coming in. That's just going to tie up my lines and stuff like that, so better me just pack up and move up on the reef and normally go check out. So yeah, didn't get any bites here, but it don't make sense me wait until the grass come in. No hookups on lures. Tried a little bit of lure casting in a little flat area up on the last reef I did there. Didn't get any hookups, so didn't plan to stay long, as I said. Just did a try probably 1/2 an hour there. So yeah, down on the reef I'm normally there. So don't look too bad still, but no, it's choppy as when I normally see it when I catch permit. Yeah, have all 3 lines set now. One there, so one there, so other one over there, so all 3 lines set. So just about to go. So whoa, so just get a bite on that line. Don't run yet still, but just hear the bell go off and the rod vibrate a while ago. So make we see if we can get no runs down here. So this evening we might get a bite sometime and then just don't run, but hopefully we can get a run this evening. Make sure that this time around we have the gaff. Have the gaff hung up on the tree right there. So the first thing that I put in my car this time around. So yeah, just stay tuned. As soon as the action start, if we get any action, turn on back the camera and then you guys will be back on the action. So yeah man, just stay tuned. Just go and like, subscribe, hit the notification so that you get notified every time when I upload a video. So stay tuned and make us see if we get anything this evening. Permit on, permit on. Oh, whoa, I was just wrapping up the video, guys. Whoa, I was packing up. Whoa, I just did the outro. I just wrapped up the video. Gaff. Guys, I just wrapped up the video. Oh, I'm on the rocks. I'm on the rocks. No, 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 don't go slack. Oh, no, don't go slack. On the rock. I don't feel him. Don't feel the fish at all. Where is he? See him here? Wait for a wave. Whoa! I'm tired. Guys, on honestly, I just did the outro. I just wrapped up the video. I packed up one rod. I went to pack up the second rod. While I was reeling it up, I heard this one. I heard the line start running. Strong. Oh, this is a strong fish. He's still not tired. Tighten down anymore on him. Whoa. Still have some fight in him. Still have some fight. Don't want to tighten down too much for him. I thought that I lost him when I went to get the gaff because I couldn't feel him anymore. I couldn't feel him. I felt the line on the stone and then the line went slack. I could not feel this fish. This is a heavy fish. This is a heavy fish. Pressure him too much cause don't want the lip report. The good thing is I don't see any rocks out in front of me for him to wrap around now. Come on. Big boy. That's a big boy. Yeah, that's a big boy. Whoa, that's a big boy. I didn't even have to gaff him. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Oh man. Whoa. Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you, Father. Whoa. This is a massive permit. Ugh. Ugh. Whoa. Relax. That's a huge permit. There he is, guys. That's a massive permit. I don't even know if the camera was picking up properly because, as I said, I had the camera in my hand. I had the camera in my hand because I was doing the outro. I was wrapping up the video to leave, and I just heard the bell going mental. You guys can probably see the rod holder. The rod was almost out of the rod holder. There he is. Massive permit. This is the first one I'm catching for this year. see if I can get a weight on him for you guys to see. Should probably set another bait while I'm waiting for that. Whoa, this is a beautiful one. Look at that. There he is. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that. This one lock out at 13.3 pound. Yeah, 13.3 pound this one way, guys. That's what the scale stop at. Yeah, when you guys get to the end of this video, you will see that I was actually in the process of packing up. I gave the outro and said that I didn't catch anything in about 5 hours. So I packed up one rod already. It's up there. I was packing up the second rod, and then I heard the other rod start going off. So yeah, that's what you call the last, getting lucky at the last moment. Yeah, missed one last week Saturday further up on the reef. There was no way I was gonna let this one get away. I was kind of fretting when I came to get the gaff because the rod was a good distance away from where the gaff was. I was kind of fretting because I felt the braid, I felt the line on the rocks, because there are some taller rocks down there. I felt the line on the rocks, and when I picked up the gaff and I was walking closer back down to where the fish is so that the line can ease off of the rock, the line was completely slack. I did not feel anything on the line, so I was slightly worried. I was wondering if the line got cut off, but as soon as I got a bit closer, I felt the weight again, and then as soon as I passed the log that is down there, I saw the fish. So yeah, that wasn't a bad day. I had fun today. It was a long, hard work. This is my third spot. First spot I went to this morning, there was some grass. Second spot, no bites. Well, I got one bite up there, but no hookup. And then I came down here, I wasn't getting any bites or anything, so I planned that I was gonna leave. Yeah man, I think that's it for today. Almost basically about 5 hours now me do, because I got to my first spot about 11:45, 12 o'clock that time, and it's now about 10 minutes past 5, so roughly 5 hours. Yeah, roughly 5 hours me do out today. Don't get no permit, and I never carry no bait to catch anything else. Only thing me did carry just my lures. And yeah, no permit today, so just have to go pack up and go home now. Kinda feel a bit tired and also a bit hungry, so I just call it a day for today. No catching this video, but hey, came out and we still had a lot of fun out here. I got 2 bites. I got 1 bite, didn't run though. I just got a bite, took off the bait, didn't run. But yeah, I just say, you know, it's just another day in a fishing. So yeah, supposed to pack up and I want to go home. So remember to hit the like button, share and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Big up to you guys for the continued support. Trust me, you guys have been phenomenal supporting Hartman Adventures since day one. So big up to all of you guys. Big up to all of the new subscribers. I see your messages and I try to reply to all of them. So hey, I just say go. That one here, no catch, but still enjoy yourself. So take care until next time. See you in the other video. So I'm finally home. Just gonna show you how I normally clean up permit when I get them. I started cleaning up this one already, but yeah, I just started doing one side. So as you can see, alright, so let me show you. So what I'm doing now is I'm basically just skinning the permit, taking off the skin off this side. Permit has a very big bloodline, and if you are able to remove the bloodline when you're cleaning it up, it will give you a far better tasting meat when you're eating it. So it's not too hard when you to skin them. It's not too hard to skin them because the skin is quite thick, especially when they are this big. So it's easy to skin them. So I'm just angle the knife down a little bit so you can remove as much of the bloodline as possible. And once I go past the bloodline, I just stop angling the knife down. Now you can basically just pull the skin and rip it off of the fish, but I don't want to do it like that, because when you do it like that, the meat doesn't come off as clean as possible, or as clean as I want it to be. So I'm just taking my time with my fillet knife and just working it underneath the skin, and I'm going as thin as possible, because when it comes on to like the rib cage and these places, the meat is not as thick as up at the back. So just taking my time to separate the meat from the skin. There's still a little bit of blood along the skin here, but if you can note, I don't know if you can see it properly, but right along the rib cage it still has a little bit of blood. So just taking my time to remove that bloodline, leaving it on the skin. Yeah, I want to take the time to shout out a couple of good friends as well. Yeah man, I want to shout out Jamaica Shore Fishing. Big up Jamaica Shore Fishing. Good friend that. Big up Surf and Rock Fishing Barbados. Trust me guys, if you guys want to see permit catch, check out the channel. Surf and Rock Fishing Barbados. General, say a word man. Finally get filan one. General is a member of the team. Me and him interact very well on Instagram. Real cool bridging that. But overall, everybody from that team I talk to and I interact with, always very nice to deal with, you know. Very chill people them. So big up Surf and Rock Fishing Barbados. Can't forget me other bridging them Extreme Fishers man. Yo teacher, me see I murder them, you know. About 3 of them me see a lick this morning, you know. So big up yourself Extreme Fishers. Teacher, big up yourself. Rally my boy. Have to go link up my boy. She say I try go out on the reef this morning, but Reef they went too high, my boy. Went too high if you go out there this morning. So yeah, big up them people, eh? Big up Jamaica Adventures. Just the same. And trust me, so much people did if you link up or if you big up. Big up Big Wall Beer. Yeah. Big up yourself, Big Wall Beer. Terran, Lance. Yeah man, big up on yourself, see me. Gina. If you guys remember when we went to Negril to do some fishing with my German friends, Gina and Opie, I talked to them since week. I talked to them 2 days ago. Trust me, still very nice people them to chill out with. Can't wait till them come back so we can chill out again. So yeah, if you notice, this is one side fully skinned, and if you notice how wide the bloodline is, there's a lot of blood in this fish. So when I catch this fish, I try bleeding it out before it's dead so that I can get rid of as much of the blood as possible out of it. So now the blood, there's still a lot of blood in here. Right along the lateral line, let me just put him on the side. Whoa, fish is heavy. So right along the lateral line here, there's still a lot of blood. So when I fillet this, I'm going to remove all of this bloodline out of the meat. Trust me guys, if you catch a permit and you can remove the bloodline, it makes the world of a difference when you eat the meat. It's a lot more, it's a lot less fishy. You don't have that high raw taste. So if you can remove the bloodline, even better. But yeah, I'm just gonna do one side on camera now. So that's basically how I would normally clean up the permit. I would normally remove the skin and then fillet it off, remove the bloodline, all of that. So yeah, this is going to be the final wrap up for this video. So big up on yourself again. Stay tuned, catch you out on the next adventure. Remember to like, share, subscribe,